Mundu angigakinya handu ha kuoya matua ma guthie bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia itikia kana urege na mahatiri undu ungi atakoragwo aregete. Nitukuhaririirie riboti ya mwanya ya uria aruti a wira kuma guku bururi-ini uria mageragira mitangiko na maithori bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia. Tiria mbere airetu kana atumia manahingirwo nyumba-ini imwe gwa kahinda ka makiria ya mieri 3 nigetha gutwarwo mawira bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia ni maagenti na thutha gucoka kuhonokio ni ikundi itari cia githirikari.
Tarehe 16 mwezi uliopita tukachukuliwa na broker, tukaambiwa tukachukuliwa na broker tukaambiwa kuna agent anataka wafanyikazi awasafirishe kwenda Saudia. Tulivyotoka kule tukaletwa Nairobi, tukakaa hostel. Agent atuiti ndani, atuiti tukamuona mpaka tukamtafuta sisi.
Aige a Kenya na muno aigetu makorogo muhari-ini wa mbere mihango-ini ya kwimathira mawira mabururi-ini ma nanja thutha wa kurikia thukuru niguo gwithondekera muturire wao wa rucio. Guku ni muciĩ-ini kwa aciari a MBERE wa Njiko na wahota gwitikia na maena wathe wa guciarwo, no maundu ni mugaru na uria ungiciria kuona uyu ni wonje mumwandiki amwikirire. Agitutariria athire mweri-ini wa kana na kwambiriria wira wa nyumba ota mutugo oe na mwihoko wa gukana rugamia family yake muthenya umwe, no thutha wa mieri 3 na muthenya umwe mumwandiki agiukira na thutha wa kwaga kuiguana itikia hatari undu ta nganja agikio kuma ngorofa-ini, undu uria watumire ekore ena wonje kiroto giake gikihwererekera.
Ikarite muno ndathia mweri wa 3 wathia mweri wa 3 tondu nona ndathire April ri meithe tuo ndakeninire mweri muthenya umwe ri muthuri wako agiukira ku ndarutaga wira akigora nja kibicana ri agwa njikirie ngigwa thi kuma ngorofa-ini.
Thutha ucio ni ahonokirio ni andu a wendi mwega na aria mamutwarire thibitari na thutha ucio agicoka bururi-ini wa Kenya.
Maria mwema mwena uyu ndagwire tondu ndagwire iguru wa mabati ma story ndoa kinyamu kimuberethi ndamugutha guthira ri akinyona akinjoya akinjetera ambulance cikinjoya cikindwara thibitari ngikara thibitari ngithondekwo. Kuma hau niguo Kenya meciria andu a Kenya mageciria makundehe guku Kenya.
Fauzia Wanjiru nake agitutariria irio kuria ciarita kiama kuona aneagwo matigio ni aria mamwandikite na mathaa mangi irio igaikara fridge-ini gwa kahinda ka wiki imwe na thutha-ini ucio kwirwo kia hinya ari undu uria watumaga mwiri wake ucenjie.
Okay, my name is Fauzia Wanjiru from Kenya. I worked as a domestic worker in Saudi Arabia. Their food, they don't give it to you. They give you leftovers. Then I used to cry a lot and say, I wish I was in my country where I could get something small and something fresh. Not like whatever they are eating, then they give you leftovers. They kept the food in their fridge and they will take it like a week, 2 weeks, and they still request you to eat that food, of which for them they cannot eat.
Mathina to macio agakiongerera gutiri kahinda onaga ga kuhuruka amu akirikia wira umwe ekoraga ena wira ungi umwetereire gatagati ka family imwe na iria maikaraga nyumba ngurani.
So you'll work 18 hours non-stop. You don't have anything else to do. You just work. You only sleep for 4 hours. After those 4 hours, they come and wake you up. Now you're supposed to work. Then they'll exchange you within the family. They say like, you work here in this house, you finish your job, then go and help my daughter to do this. Then you're being taken to another house to work. By the time you're so tired, they don't think of you as a human being. They think you as a slave to them. Because
minyamario ni miingi aruti a wira mageragira kuona amwe ao manakorwo moragitwo na njira ciena kiriga na thutha gucoka bururi-ini mundu ithanduku-ini kuria andu a nyumba na aciari mamwamukagira na ruo na maithori ngoro-ini ciao. Angi nao makarehwo mwiri utari na indo ingi ta maitho, matu, undu uria wikiraga andu a nyumba ironda itahonaga miaka na miaka. Riu ica ikuhi ari airetu eri kuhonokio kuma irima-ini ria gikuo ni thirikari ya Kenya kuma bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia. Faith Chepkemoi wa ukuru wa miaka 24 nake agitariria gacirano ta gaka athiete bururi-ini ucio kwimathira mbeca cia kuriha thukuru university-ini ya Meru.
I left Kenya to go to Saudi Arabia just with the hope I'll get maybe a better life afterwards. But mine is just to say, if I can just be honest, mine was just a tip of the iceberg.
Maundu mena magigi undu umwe na minyamariko maria arageragira nimo maramũtũmire eyarie na araremwo ni kũũmĩrĩria. Ona akiumaga kũu nĩaratumirwo ndũmĩrĩri ni aruna ake na maramwĩra angĩkinya thayũ na akamaririkana kũhĩtũkĩra thirikari na umone gacĩra kana kamweneni ga gwĩthera harĩ mũkuru-inĩ wa nduma.
Hata venye nimetoka huko tu ameniambia tu at least wewe umesikika, sauti yako imesikika. Pia sisi tusaidie, pia sisi tusaidike. My friends are suffering there. It's just that mine nilipata that voice, nilipata support venye niliongea. But people are suffering there and I'm just pleading with the government, just please do something. It's a shame being told there's nothing you can do, there's nothing your government can do.
Ngiribotera handũ-inĩ ha Wega TV, njĩtagwo Jackson Mwaniki.